Presenting MeRLIN, eProcurement streamlined. MeRLIN means Material eResource Linked Information Network. With MeRLIN, you can get global visibility of all sourced and quoted parts, including plant usage, pricing, and supplier data. Look up prices of like parts based on configuration. Manage your RFI and RFQ process online using various devices. Complete quote analysis online, validate prices, and select the best total cost solution with all the relevant data aggregated in one place for quick reference. Manage and compare program-costed BOM from pursuit through end of life, maintaining multiple versions of the BOM. MeRLIN can perform a variety of functions specific to work activity. This is Dan, a buyer. He has the global visibility of parts and pricing data. This helps him take the most appropriate purchasing decisions quickly. He need not spend time compiling and manually keying in data. Instead, he's focused on analyzing and negotiating price variances. He can get the should-be price to support an RFI using part data in the system. He can also get suggestions of similar parts in case some parts do not exist. When prices do not exist in the system, he can create an RFQ and share it with his suppliers online. His suppliers can respond online. He can review and compare their quotes simultaneously and select the most representative cost. In addition, all quoted prices are stored in the system for use in future requests. In case he identifies a new supplier, he can enroll them online and they can be granted access. Once he validates, that supplier should be included in the bid list. He can expand their data to include vendor master setup. He can do the supplier performance reviews online and look at historic trends, compare suppliers, and do reporting online. He can check KPIs regularly and stay focused on improvement and achieving them. With MeRLIN, Dan is able to focus on KPIs rather than spending time manually entering the same data multiple times in various Excel forms and tools. He can focus on cost optimization and performance. He can create his own reports using drag and drop, as well as Excel-style functions. This is Paul, the purchasing manager. He can review and approve all the buying decisions of the team with information and lookups enabling comparative analysis. He can review and approve new supplier creation. He can get alerts of deviations and approve or reject them by sending an email to MeRLIN. He can track KPIs, program performance, perform PPV reviews online in real time. He can verify audit trails of all sensitive decisions and ensure compliance with standardized templates and response requirements. He can get global visibility of parts, pricing, and suppliers, and perform analysis rather than spending time creating the data in the required format. He can identify potential leakages due to inappropriate decisions and address such issues by querying MeRLIN. He can create his own reports using drag and drop, as well as Excel-style functions. This is John, the supplier. He can respond to RFI and RFQ online, saving time and effort. MeRLIN eliminates multiple requests for data on the same part from buyers all over the world. John can manage and update vendor master inputs to ensure accurate supplier structure within the system. He can view his previous responses, track the progress of his bids. He can respond faster. This is Sophia, the administrator. She can create, modify, and delete users. She can create new roles if required and change access levels of existing roles. She can get complete visibility of all the information and audit trails across the application. She can change configurations as per evolving business needs. She can create new reports needed by the business. MeRLIN offers a complete solution to automate your procurement function. The solution has a shorter implementation cycle and is less complex to implement. The MeRLIN solution is future-proof as it is built on an open technology platform and the latest version of Epicor. MeRLIN is extendable and can provide broader coverage for costing as well as other enterprise functions. MeRLIN is significantly cost-effective compared to other products. MeRLIN, eProcurement streamlined. Reinbrücke's MeRLIN works well with any ERP, and all it takes is just 2 weeks to come out to a specific approach to custom fit your needs.